Hey friends, so today we're taking a look at proportional relationships, but this time using a table. Now, you're going to be familiar with the skill that we're using. The only difference between what we've been doing and today is that now, instead of two relationships, these tables that were given on IXL are three relationships. Doesn't change anything about how we solve. So let's take a look at this first problem. We're given the relationship between X and Y. And what we're looking for, just like we have been the past several days, is this third column that we're going to label COP for constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality. These tables are going to represent proportional relationships if each of the rows have the same constant of proportionality. So let's dig in. This first table, we have x and y. A way we can figure out our constant of proportionality is actually just divide y over x. So we have 4 over 4, which is just 1. 8 over 8, which is 1, and 9 over 9, which is 1. Each of these rows has the same COP of 1, so they represent a proportional relationship. This next table, same deal. Let's do y over x to get our constant of proportionality. So we have 1 over 3, 4 over 12, and 5 over 15. Now, it may look like the answer here is no, because we have 1/3, 4 twelfths, and 5 fifteenths, but we have to remember to simplify our fractions. 4 halves simplifies to 1/3, and 5 over 15 simplifies to 1/3. These are, I don't know why I have 1 over 13. These are all the same, 1 over 3. So this is a proportional relationship. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at this next problem. Same deal here. We're interested in this third column. 2 over 2, which gives us 1. But now we can see this second row, just on its face, we know that 7 and 4 are going to have a different constant of proportionality than 2 and 2. So 2 times 1 equals 2. 4 times 1 is going to equal 4, not 7. So this is not a proportional relationship. And we don't need to even go any further. Let's take a look at this next one. Oops, that's an awful line. COP. We have 3 over 5. That means 5 times 3 over 5 is going to get us 3. We have 6 over 10, and we have 9 over 15. We simplify. 6 divided by 3, or 6 divided by 2, I'm sorry, is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5, and these are all the same. 3/5. You multiply 5 times 3/5 to get 3. You multiply 10 times 3/5 to get 6. You multiply 15 times 3/5 to get 9. So this is a proportional relationship. As you solve these, one thing to note, the questions on IXL will give you two tables at a time. Both of those tables can represent proportional relationships. Second thing to keep in mind, your goal here is to get the same constant of proportionality. Don't lose sight of what that means. It's the number you multiply x by to get y. If that's the same for each row, you have a proportional relationship.